So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made some chili. And so this is it here, and this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And let's see my chili here. Oh, fogged right up. There it is anyways. Let me know if you're a fan of chili or not, and how you like to make yours. Good. Here's the salad that I made for myself. It's got some salmon on there, broccoli and red pepper, some croutons, lettuce. So this is what I made for myself to eat. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We got some mashed potatoes there and some little chicken drumsticks that I did in the air fryer. I did it on roast, and it had I had the marinating in some mayo and chopped from fresh garlic and pepper, some salt, a little bit of lemon juice, and I just put that on there in the chicken. And then we've got some green beans here with a little bit of cheese sauce. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Good. Hope you're having a great night too. So I've received this Corona Sunbrew Sunshine Anytime 0 alcohol beer in the mail from Shopper's Voice to try. I don't like beer. I don't drink beer, but maybe my hubby will try it, because he used to my husband doesn't drink either. He doesn't drink at all, but when back in the day he liked Corona, so maybe he'll try this. And this is let me see here. Must be drinking age, alcohol-free beer with natural flavors and vitamin D, for adults only. So this must be their new Corona. So I'll let you know if he gives it a try. So that's kind of neat, getting something like that in the mail. So my darlings, I just wanted to show you the Corona Sunbrew out of the box. It's a source of vitamin D, non-alcoholic. And they also gave a coupon as well. So, very interesting. Just wanted to share. Just a quick little lunch. These are the butterfly shrimp. I love these. With some shrimp cocktail sauce there. And I did those up in the fryer, and they came out beautifully. Good. So here's some Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies I just took out of the oven. Now these ones look better. I didn't do anything weird to them like the last time I was trying to make them into hearts. This time let's make them into cookies. So hopefully these will be better. So yes, they just come out of the oven. I like a chewy cookie, so that's why they kind of still look a little bit like that. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're having sausage on a bun with coleslaw. And those sausages are from Costco. Done in the air fryer thing. Good. So my darlings, here's the salad that I made. It's got steak on it. I did the first time ever the steak in the air fryer. I think I better leave the steaks to my hubby. He does an awesome job on the barbecue. I mean, not to say this is bad, but it's not how I would normally like my steak. But I'm looking forward to eating the salad. The salad does look good. And I mean, the steak is tasty, but there was a lot of fat on the steak, I guess, and it didn't really like the sides crisped up, but the actual steak didn't really do a lot of crisping. So I don't know if I needed to leave it longer, but then again, like I like it medium, where there's like pink in the middle, and there's no pink here. So I don't know. But anyways, here's my salad, my steak salad that I'm gonna eat. Good. So tonight we're having a tater tot casserole, my darlings. First time making a tater tot casserole. Yep. So we got some tater tots in there. And on the stove I made, used ground beef, cooked up some ground beef and a can of cream and mushroom soup. And some herbs and spices, mixed it all together. Cooked the tater tots first and then mixed it all together and then put it back in the oven. And then I put grated cheese over top. This is actually extra old cheese. And put it under the broiler. So we'll have to let you know how it goes. Tater tot casserole. And obviously you can put onions in it if you want, or vegetables. I just did it very basic. So here it is, served up. Can't wait, it smells wonderful. Yum, yum, yum. Here's what I'm having for lunch today, my darlings. Once again, I'm having salmon with a salad. I did the salmon in the air fryer. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I cooked up some, it said they're bacon pierogies, and I got a little bit of, I cooked up some shrimp and roasted some carrots, and there's a little bit of sour cream on the bottom there. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And of course, my husband will probably have more than what I'm showing you here, but this will be mine. Let me know if you enjoy pierogies and what kind of pierogies do you like. Love to hear down below. Good.